All right, how you doing? This week's free sample pack of the week is guitars. We have a bunch of really cool acoustic guitars and electric guitars. Some really cool stuff. There'll be a link in the video description below. Also in the link in the video description below, there's a bunch of other really cool courses you might want to check out. Ryan Tedder, Kygo, Blanks, Dead Mouse, all kind of courses and stuff that I've taken in the past year. You can check out. There's some video reviews of those. If you're interested in those, please do subscribe to the channel. And let's get into this. Let's check out some of the sounds from this sample pack. Start off with the acoustic guitars. And every file name has the tempo and key of the song or of the loop in there as well, which is cool. All right, so cool. Check them out. There'll be a link in the video description below. Please do subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of other videos about music production and stuff like that. Sample pack of the week coming out. So hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. And I will talk to you soon.